Check out these new PC shortcuts that you have never heard of before, and the last one will blow your mind. First, if you press Windows Alt-R, it will start recording your screen without any software app. Also, to stop recording, press them again. And to find the recorded videos, just press Windows G on your keyboard. Another crazy shortcut. If you are working on your PC and someone get into your room, just press Windows, and it will hide all your tabs and go to your desktop. And when you release your hands, it will return back automatically. Third, if you press Windows Shift-S and select any area in your screen, you will take a screenshot of it. Finally, if you want to lock your PC quickly, all you have to do, press Windows L and your computer will lock. If you learned something from this video, do well to share this video to your friends and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this. Also comment if you have any questions you want to ask. This is Dominzi Loaded Tech. See you next time.